Tired of seeing locked features on your Crypto.com account? Let's unlock them together by verifying your account in a few easy steps. First, open your Crypto.com app. You'll likely see a Verify Now button on the home screen. Tap it to begin the verification process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and nationality. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Next up, identity verification. Choose the type of document you want to use, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Select the option that works best for you. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear and well-lit photo of your chosen document. Ensure all details are visible and legible. Most likely you will need to take a selfie. Position your face within the oval, making sure you have adequate lighting for a clear picture. This confirms you are who you say you are. Address verification is next. You'll typically need to upload a utility bill or bank statement that clearly shows your name and current address. Make sure the document is recent, usually within the last 3 months. Once you've submitted all the required documents, Crypto.com will review your information. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the volume of requests. You'll receive an email and an app notification once your account is verified. The verified badge will appear on your profile, unlocking all the features and benefits of Crypto.com. If you encounter any problems, double-check that your documents are clear, your information is accurate, and your address matches your proof of address. Contact Crypto.com support if you still have issues. Congratulations! Now you can confidently start trading, staking, and earning crypto. Enjoy the full power of the Crypto.com platform.